The 996 IMS bearing, there it is. I just had mine replaced. This came out of my car with 70,000 miles, and it operates perfectly, which is normal. Well, 95% normal, because I think they have a 5 to 8% failure rate. But this is it, for those who don't know what it looks like, and this is the part that fails. The ball bearings are in here, in this sealed bearing, and if it doesn't get the oil, this shaft fails, and it starts to wiggle. It starts to wiggle in its housing there, and it starts to wiggle, and this just starts, and then the whole engine just blows up. So as long, and correct me guys if I'm wrong, but this needs to be bathed in oil so it doesn't degrade and get hot, and then this shaft here begins to fail and starts to wiggle in the housing, and then that's what blows up the engines. So that's it. I'm going to keep it, put it in a little frame, and put it on my wall. But that's it. That's what all the fuss is about, right here. That thing. And it spins nice and free. All right, but I'm glad I had it replaced.